has been a singular voice in contemporary art. Beginning with her early work, which she carried out alongside the protagonist. These contemporary icons and stylized faces rise to the surface as divine apparitions. Motivation of the jury reads special mention to Lithuania and Cyprus for an original curatorial format that brings together two countries in a singular experience. The prize is received by, I'm not going to be able to pronounce these names correctly, Luli Mikhailidou and Aurime Alexandra Vichuk.
May I ask Mr. Marino Zorzato to join us on the stage? There is a special mention for Japan.
The motivation of the jury reads special mention to Japan for the poignant reflection on issues of collaboration and failure, and the prize is accepted by Mika Kuraya, curator of the Japan Pavilion, and by Koki Tanaka. Sorry.
Thank you. I would like to say thank you for all of the people who participated to realize that project. Thank you so much. This is going to be a little hope for creating a new society after the disaster. Thank you very much. Grazie mille.
Goes to Camille Herrault.
And the motivation reads the Silver Lion for a promising young artist in the international exhibition Il Palazzo Enciclopedico goes to Camille Herrault for contributing a new work that in a sensuous and dynamic manner is able to capture our times.
First, I would like to thank Maximiliano for believing in me being able to produce this work, and while I was giving very few information. And I want to say thank you to my gallery, Kamel Meno, and all the team who supported me, and all the people who worked on the film. I have a special thanks for the people involved with the soundtrack, Joachim Boises, and Akwete Orakatete, who's the voice of the film. Thank you.
Golden Lion for the Best Artist. May I ask the Mayor of Venice, Professor Giorgio Soni, to join us on the floor? And the Golden Lion for for Best Artist in the International Exhibition goes to Tino Segal.
The motivation reads, the Golden Lion for Best Artist in the International Exhibition goes to Tino Segal for the excellence and innovation that his practice has brought, opening the field of artistic disciplines.
Yeah, I'm a bit surprised, but I always like to hear Massimiliano speak, and I think he's amazingly eloquent. I think it's a pleasure for everybody to kind of participate when you're speaking. You were saying something about the philosophies of solitude. Okay. Okay. Well, that's what we all do, because that's why philosophies of solitude, I think, if you want to do an encyclopedia or not, they kind of never work, you know. And so I think that one thing, I think for me it's a big honor to have this prize, because it's really a prize which existed throughout the 20th century and really means something to me to be holding it. But I think that the 20th century was the century of like individualism and philosophies of solitude, and I hope that the 21st century we can kind of adjust that a little bit. And I think that in the way I've also created this work here is very much reliant in every second, even right now. There are people who, while I'm holding this lion, kind of singing and dancing from some kind of inner position, which doesn't have that much to do with me in a way. And so I think, you know, same move as Massimiliano, but I think this is for all the people who have shed their life and sweat and breath.
Valeria, Lucia, Stefano, Paolo Major.